Good morning, students. Today discuss packing efficiency. They are all simple cubic arrangements. The packing efficiency percentage. Okay. The last class discuss the simple cubic unit cell and body center cubic unit cell. This is the simple cubic unit cell formula. Nc by 8. So 8 by 8 is equal to 1. So the number of atoms in simple cubic unit cell is equal to 1. Okay. So the body center cubic unit cell, number of atoms in a body center cubic unit cell, Nc by 8 plus Nb by 1. So the 8 by 8 plus 1 by 1 is equal to 2. So the body center, number of atoms in a body center cubic unit cell is equal to 2. Okay. The next face center cubic unit cell, FCC. So the face center cubic unit cell, the number of atoms in a face center cubic unit cell, Nc by 8 plus NF by 2. So NC by 8, 8 corner present. So 8 by 8 plus 6 faces of present. F means number of faces present. So 6 by 2, so 8 by 8, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So the number of atoms in a face center cubic unit cell is equal to 4. Okay. The next discuss one problem sum. The one problem sum, the density of the unit cell. Okay, and the next packing in crystals, the linear arrangement of space in one direction and two dimension, and A type and B type. Then simple cubic arrangements. The today discuss the packing efficiency of simple cubic arrangements. Okay, a simple cubic arrangements. See this picture. There is some free space between the space of a single layer and the space of successive layers. Okay, the percentage of total volume occupied by this consistent space give the packing efficiency of an arrangement. Okay, then let us calculate the packing efficiency in simple cubic arrangement. The simple cubic arrangement, this is the formula. Packing fractions or efficiency is equal to total volume occupied by space in a unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. Okay, so the total volume of occupied by space in a unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. So the volume of cube with the edge length, this is the edge length. The edge length is called A. So this edge length is called A. This edge length is called A. So A into A is equal to A cube. So the volume of unit cell is equal to A cube. So the edge length are called, the one radius is present. The one radius present. So R plus R, 2R radius is present. Okay, so 2R radius, A is equal to 2R radius present. So radius is equal to A by 2. This is the R value. Okay, this is the R value. The next one discuss the volume of space with radius. The volume of space with radius. The radius formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So the r value substitutions. So 4 by 3 pi r cube substitutions a by 2 whole cube. Okay, the r value substitutions a by 2 whole cube. So the 4 by 3 pi a cube, a into a cube divided by 8. So the 4, 8 cancel, the 1, 2. So the 3 into 2, 6. So balance for pi a cube by 6. This is the simple cubic arrangement number of the space belongs to the unit cell. So is equal to 1. Okay. So this is the radius formula. So the total volume of occupied by the space in the simple unit cell. This is the packing fraction efficiency formula, very important. The total volume occupied by space in a unit cell divided by volume of unit cell into 100. Okay, they apply this formula. Calculate the total volume occupied by space in a unit cell. Okay, so the 1 into pi a cube by 6. The 1 means the simple cubic unit cell formula Nc by 8. So 8 carbon is present. So 8 by 8, the 8 cancels equal to 1. The 1 is the number of one is the number of atoms in a simple cubic unit cell. Okay, this is the number of atoms in a simple cubic unit cell 1 into pi a cube, this value pi a cube by 6. Okay, so they dividing the equations 2. The 2 means the uh, volume of unit cell. Okay, the volume of unit cell a cube value. So the pi a cube by 6 divided by a cube. So the a cube cancel. So pi into 100 by 6. So pi into the pi value 3.14. The pi into 3.14 divided by 6. This is the 52.31 percentage. Okay, 52.32 percentage. 52.3238 percentage. The only 52.38 percentage of the available volume in occupied by the space in simple cubic packing. The making inefficient use of available space and hence minimizing the attractive forces. Okay, this is the simple cubic unit cell. The 52.38 of the available volume is occupied the space in simple cubic packing. Okay, the next one discuss body center cubic arrangement. The body center cubic arrangement. The spans in the first layer are slightly separated and the second layer is formed by arranging the spans in the depressions between the spans in layer. The third layer is a repeat of the first. So the pattern AB and AB is repeated throughout the crystal. So the arrangement is coordination number of 8, 4 neighboring in the layer above and 4 in the layer below. So the packing efficiency, the spans are touching along the leading diagonal of the cube. This is the rules of the Pythagoras theory. They follow the Pythagoras theory. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, this the first one cube. Okay, then the A to B root of 2 into A. Okay, so the next one 2A to AC value root 2A. So the AG value 2R. This is the one atom, the 2R radius, the single R radius, the half of radius, so R radius, so 2R plus R is equal to 4R. The AG value is equal to 4R. Okay, they follow the Pythagoras theory. Del ABC, the first one, ABC. Okay, ABC. This is the first one point. So the AC squared, the length of the edge length, the AC squared is equal to AB squared plus AC squared. So they added the AC squared. Okay, so the AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So the squared, the equal to converted the root of AB squared plus BC squared. So AC is equal to AB value. This is the AB value. So the AB value A. Then BC value A. So the AB squared is equal to AB value A and BC value A. So AB squared is equal to A squared. So BC squared is equal to A squared. So is equal to root 2A squared. Is equal to root 2A squared plus 1A squared, they added the 2A squared. Okay, the 2A squared is equal to the root A squared root cancel. The root is common. Okay, they cancel. So root 2A. Okay, this is the AC value. This one, the AC value is equal to root 2A. Okay, the next one, discuss ACG. Okay, ACG. So AGC is equal to AG squared. AG squared, they added the AC squared plus CG squared. Okay, they added the AC squared plus CG squared. Okay, then next discuss AG squared is equal to AC squared plus CG squared. CG squared, the AG squared they convert to root of AC squared plus CG squared. So AG is equal to root of 2A squared plus A squared. The whole squared, 2A whole squared plus A squared. So the root of 2A squared, root 2 into root 2 squared is equal to 2. So the 2A squared plus A squared. So 2A squared plus A squared added 3A squared, root 3A squared. So the AG is equal to root 3A. This is the AGC value, AG value. Okay, so the AG value is equal to 3A. So the AG is equal to 4R. Okay, so AG is equal to 4R. So this value substitutions, AG is equal to root 3A. Okay, the next root 3A. So the root 3A, apply the formula 4R value. The root 3A AG. So the AG value is equal to R 2R. So R plus 2R plus R. So R plus 1. So 4R. So AG value 4R. So this apply this formula, root 3A is equal to 4R. Okay, so radius R is equal to root 3 by 4 into A. Okay, so the R radius value root 3 by A. So the volume of space with radius R is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. So the R value apply, the 4 by 3 pi R value apply the root 3 by A whole cube. Okay, so 4 into, so the root 3 into root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 into root 3 divided by 4 into 4 A cube. Okay, the 4 by 3 pi. Okay, the 4 cancel. 4 into 4, root 3, 3. So the 3 cancel. So root 3 balance and pi. So root 3 pi divided by 16. 4 into 4, 16 A cube. Okay, this is the number of the space belongs the unit PCC arrangement the equal to phase. Okay, the next one, the next one, 2 into root 3 pi A cube. They apply this formula. Total volume of occupied by the space in the body center cubic unit cell is equal to 2 into root 3 pi A cube divided by 16 apply. So the root 3 pi A cube divided by 16 is equal to root 3 pi A cube by 8. The 2 16 cancel, so root 3 by a cube by 8. So the root 3 by a cube by 8 divided by a cube. The packing fractions formula, apply the packing fraction formula. The total volume of occupied the total volume of occupied the space in unit cell divided by the a cube means the volume of unit cell into 100. The percentage calculated, so into 100. So apply this equations. So the root 3 a cube cancel, a cube cancel. Okay, this a cube cancel. So the root 3 pi divided by 8 into 100. So the root 3 pi means pi value substitutions 3.14. Okay, the root 3 value 1.732. So the 1.732 root 3 value constant, pi value 3.14 is constant. So 800 cancel 12.5. So 1.732 into 3.14 into 12.5. They multiply the added the number, multiply the number 68%. So the packing efficiency, this is the packing efficiency, the 68% of the available volume in occupied the available space in used more efficiently than in simple cubic packing. Okay, the simple cubic packing, the 68% of the available volume is occupied. The available space in used the more efficiency than in simple cubic packing. Okay, thank you student.